5 mind-blowing upcycling hacks to declutter your home, 2025 edition. Hey, Declutter Warriors! Today we're diving into the world of upcycling with some game-changing hacks that'll transform your space and blow your mind. But first, let me hit you with a shocking statistic. An average home has over 300,000 items. Crazy, right? Well, we're about to change that. Before we jump in, pause the video and count how many items are on your desk right now. Shocked? Drop that number in the comments. Hack number 1, the 24-hour box challenge. First up, we're putting a twist on the classic one-in, one-out rule. Grab a box and fill it with items you think you don't need. Seal it and set a 24-hour timer. If you don't open it within that time, donate the entire box. This method has helped people reduce clutter by up to 30% in just a week. Hack number 2, mason jar magic. It's time for some Instagram-worthy storage solutions. Those old mason jars aren't just for canning anymore. We're turning them into vertical herb gardens, bathroom organizers, and even pendant lights. One person's trash is another person's treasure, literally. Hack number 3, from trash to treasure, the ultimate t-shirt transformation. Got a drawer full of old tees? Let's transform them. We're not just making tote bags, we're creating no-sew pillowcases, plant hangers, and even trendy crop tops. This hack alone can repurpose up to 20% of your unused clothing. Hack number 4, Digital Declutter. Detox 5-minute tech tidy. Let's tackle that digital clutter. I'm going to show you how to clean up your smartphone and computer in just 5 minutes a day. We'll use apps to digitize important documents and photos, cutting your physical storage needs by half. Remember, a clutter-free digital space means a clutter-free mind. Hack number 5, the 90/90ths Rule Makeover. Here's where things get real. We're applying the 90/90ths rule. If you haven't used it in the last 90 days and won't in the next 90, it's time to let it go. But we're taking it up a notch with before and after showcases. You won't believe the transformations. Now here's a challenge for you. Tag us in your upcycling projects with #DeclutterWarrior for a chance to be featured in our next video. Remember, decluttering isn't just about getting rid of stuff. It's about creating space for what truly matters in your life. These hacks aren't just trendy, they're part of a sustainable living movement that's taking the world by storm. If this video helped you declutter your space and your mind, smash that like button. And for everyday doses of life-changing hacks, hit subscribe and that notification bell. Remember, a clutter-free space is just the beginning of a clutter-free life. See you in the next video, Declutter Warriors.